We have a ant problem here, so I try so many things to kill all these ants. So hopefully we will succeed with this trap. Uh, all the ants and coming and eating yeah, this bait, and hopefully they will die and they will not come anymore. So we have yeah, a lot of ants in the kitchen, bathroom. Yeah. So this is the way that I try to kill them. This yeah, bait I put in the night time, and whenever I get up in the morning, maybe it's gonna be over. So what I see, I don't like, but well, it's life. We have to fight against the ant. So ant season, so hot here, so they coming and visiting us. Of course, small little creature. I like them, but they are coming our private place. So I don't have any choices that save their life, but I try to kill them. So hopefully they take this poison, go to give it to queen